Here I have these faulty battery blocks that protect the BMS circuit. No. For charging and discharging. This battery is 26 EDMGC discharge 5C. This is 36 volts 10S2P block. Very nice circuit. This is a block 48 volts 13S. There is also a circuit fault. This is also 48 volts. They're all faulty circuits. Now I'm going to choose a block circuit error. To install new BMS circuit, here I've selected a 13's 5P block. Battery 21700 by LG. M50LT. The capacity of this block is 23. Very nice circuit, but locked circuit does not give out voltage. Now I'm going to take this circuit off and replace it with a new one. I'll go get tin weld to remove these welds. The circuit of the factory is very strong. So I've removed one of its circuits. Very complicated. Now I will give out the legs to fight. BMS balance wire. I will install new BMS. I'll replace it with a simpler BMS of JBD13S30A. I'm going to put BMS here first. Then we'll weld this blue string. This is B, except now it's going into this leg. This is the cathode of the battery. I will install an additional insulating mat. Then I'll weld the anode wire. This wire goes directly to charge and discharge. That's it. Put a little more glue in here. Now I'm going to go to a balance ring. Add a layer of double-sided tape. It starts with the black wire. We'll go to negative terminal 0 volts. Next line B1. Will into voltage 3.7 volts. Wire B2. Voltage 6 volts. And the last red wire goes to the 48-volt positive terminal. Now we're going to cut. We'll solder one by one, starting from wire B without voltage, 0 volts. It's called the cathode of the battery. Then in turn, that's B1. BR. Then the balance wire has been welded. Now I'm going to check the voltage. When we play the right balanced strings, then we measure the voltage through the BMS. 4,663 volts, B and P pin voltage must be the same. Here. So the circuit worked very well. I'll charge it now. Start black wire into black charger. That's it. The light status has turned red. It works normally when it's full. Blue ones like this. Now I'm going to go wrap it up. This step is almost like completing everything. Next, I'm going to insulate the glass. I fitted this to its frame. This ensures that the battery is safe and secure. The battery block has been wrapped securely and beautifully. The last step I will go, shrink wrap. Aesthetic guarantee and electrical insulation. It's done. Now I'm going to pour glue here. So it's done. Battery. Very beautiful.